I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ranch dressing with cottage cheese. First, combine 1 cup of cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in a blender. This forms the creamy base for your dressing. Next, add your fresh herbs. 1 tablespoon of chopped chives and 1 teaspoon of fresh dill will provide a vibrant flavor. Finally, season with half a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, plus a pinch of salt and black pepper. Now it's time to blend everything together. Process all the ingredients in your blender until the mixture is completely smooth and has a uniform, creamy consistency. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Once blended, taste the dressing. This is your chance to adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or even a touch more garlic powder to suit your palate. For a subtle kick, a dash of your favorite hot sauce works wonders. If your dressing is too thick, you can easily adjust its consistency. Simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons more milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, blending after each addition until it reaches your preferred pourable texture. Once you're happy with the consistency, transfer the dressing to an airtight container. This will keep it fresh. For the best flavor, refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the delicious flavors to fully meld together. Your homemade cottage cheese ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect as a healthy dip for fresh vegetables like carrots and celery, or drizzled over your favorite salad. This versatile dressing also makes a fantastic accompaniment for chicken wings, or even as a flavorful dip for pizza crusts. It's a delicious and lighter alternative to traditional ranch. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.